It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Virgin Galactic stock. The ticker symbol for this stock, of course, SPCE. We're going to take a look here at an article from Yahoo Finance. Virgin Galactic's Branson soars to space aboard rocket plane. Of course, I'm not going to read the entire article. We're just going to go over little bits here, just to get the gist of it, really. British billionaire Richard Branson on Sunday soared more than 50 miles above the New Mexico desert aboard his Virgin Galactic rocket plane and safely returned in the vehicle's first fully crewed test flight to space, a symbolic milestone for a venture he started 17 years ago. This definitely speaks to Branson's ambition and his goals. This was a mission that they started and ventured 17 years ago. Just keep that into perspective when you think about investing in Virgin Galactic. You always want to be invested in a company that has strong-willed goals. Think about this here. 17 years and the guy has not quit. It has finally been accomplished. It is a milestone, definitely, today. The success of the flight also gave the flamboyant entrepreneur bragging rights in a highly publicized rivalry with fellow billionaire Jeff Bezos, the Amazon online retail mogul who had hoped to fly into space first aboard his own space company's rocket. So look, he beat out Jeff Bezos of Amazon. So this is just adding salt into the wounds of Jeff Bezos. Because let's be honest, this was clearly a race to space. And guess who won? Branson came out on top. I'm pretty sure that at the end of the day, Jeff Bezos would have loved to beat Branson to space. But it was not to be. And most importantly, the most important thing is that they were returned to safety. This is the main issue here because it does you no good if there is no safety. So at the end of the day, that's the best that we could hope for, not only for Branson, but also for Jeff Bezos. We hope that he has a safe return as well from space. Look, a week away from Branson's 71st birthday, Branson and his crewmates walked onto the tarmac waving to a throng of onlookers before boarding the Unity rocket plane at the end of a taxiway. So Branson is just a week away from 71 years old. This is an incredible accomplishment. I'm sure it's something that's a lifelong accomplishment here for Branson. But let's take a look here at the price of Virgin Galactic now. Currently, $49.29 after hours in the last trading session. I think that this positive news here is going to be a very good catalyst for the price going up. So going into the week, I think that we're going to see that number for space. The price is going to go up, in my opinion. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. Let's take a look here at tipranks.com. Just a little bit of what the analysts think. We see three different price points here for space. $18 on the low end, $36.91 average, and the high of $51. We are super close here to the high, but I think that at the end of the day, this number is not going to matter. I think this number is actually going to be crushed because of the wave and positive sentiment and the good news here. So I honestly think that space could go upwards of $65 to $70. And be careful if they go even north of that. It's currently a moderate buy due to what's going on, but I don't think that's going to matter due to the news that we just got about the space mission being successful. And even so, before that news, let's take a look out of 11 ratings here. 4 were a buy, 6 were a hold, and only 1 out of the 11 was a sell. So what are the analysts telling us? 10 out of 11 are telling us not to sell. This is the important thing. 1 is telling us to sell, 6 are saying to hold. So what is that telling you? You're going to hold the stock. It is what it is, and more buyers eventually will be lured into the stock. They're not telling you to sell because they would definitely be on this side if they didn't believe in SPCE. So great news here out of SPCE. I want to know what you guys think the price is going to be. Make sure you put that down below in the comments section. What is the price of SPCE going to be? Like I said, my prediction is $65 to $70. That's what I think is going to happen this week. Make sure you give a big thumbs up to the video. Also, if you don't enjoy the video, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. My channel is about keeping it real with you guys. We're never faking it out here. We're never telling you guys about these fake dreams, none of that stuff. This is the real deal. We give you the news. Right now, at the end of the day, there's no promised lands out here and things that other YouTubers are making you guys pretend and believe. Ain't no promised land out here. This is the real deal. These are the price movements. We talk about what's happening short term and long term. This is not hopium or none of that. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can stay notified and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.